Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Have Sage 50 Accounting installed, you can download a company file from Sage Drive with your Sage ID. To download a company in Sage Drive, open Sage 50 Accounting and then select File, Sage Drive. Download a Sage Drive company from the menu bar to open the Sage Drive Company Access Wizard. In this window, sign in with your Sage ID and then click the Next button to continue. In the next screen, select the company file to download from the listing of choices available. Then click the Next button to continue. If downloading a company file you already have, you can click either the Open Company or Overwrite Company button to either open your local copy or overwrite your local copy. After the download completes, click the Finish button to unpack and open the company file in Sage 50.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.